And now we've got some lemon maple bourbon wings, slow cooked and smoked over sweet apple wood. Can you spell yummy? Can you? Yummy! Yes, but first, do you know how to make a smoke pouch?
Not a clue.
I'm gonna show you how. Real simple. You handle the wet, I'll get the dry over here. Just drain those, 2 parts wet, 1 part dry. Real simple. Put those right there. A little more. Big chunks, big handfuls. Maybe another one on top of that. Beautiful. Little adult flavor here, right? A little bourbon. Ah, there you go. We're good to go now. Very nice. Fold it over. Beautiful. This is going to give it a nice smoky aroma taste to it. Beautiful. Yeah, what do you always have to have in your back pocket?
Your fork.
Your fork, that's right. You just make some holes in there so we can aerate that a little bit. Smoke can escape. You can flip it over and do the same thing. This is ready for the barbecue, but the only thing we need now is the wings. Can we get some wings, please? How simple was that?
Oh, very simple.
Oh, oh, very nice. Very nice, huh? I don't know if that's gonna be enough. You think that's gonna be enough?
We need more wings.
I think we need more wings. Here's what we're gonna do for you. It's gonna get its flavors from a nice glaze. I'm gonna show you how easy that is. We need the salt right in here. Put it right here on the wings. Put a little salt right in here. A little bit of pepper. Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you just rub those around a little bit there? Just make sure that gets in there. While she's doing that, I'm gonna make the glaze for you. Real simple. A little peanut oil here, just a little teaspoon. Maple syrup. Nice sweet taste. A lot of that in there. You're doing good, sweetheart. A little adult flavor here, a little smoky flavor, a little bourbon. Beautiful. Do you know what that is, boss?
Ginger.
Ginger, that's right. That's ginger before it's peeled, that's ginger afterwards. Now I'm just gonna grate some of that in there. See the way I'm grating it here like this? I'm grating it against the grain. If I do it this way, I'm gonna get strands of ginger all up in my marinade. I don't want that. I want it this way. I don't want strands in there. Oh, that's beautiful. Now the lemon. Cut some of that tartness. Right there. And now, some mint that I was chopping earlier. Nothing will lighten a dish quicker than some mint. Put it in there. All I need to do is whip it up. Got my glaze, got my smoke pouch, got my chicken wings. It's time to barbecue. Let's go. Just making sure, see, no heat going on over here. No heat going on over here. I'm just making sure that nothing sticks here. I don't want my wings all ripping up on me, okay? We'll put our smoke pouch right there over the heat. It's indirect, slow smoking right here. Look at that, beautiful. You want this grill to be at 220 Fahrenheit or 110 Celsius. Shut that bad boy and don't be peeking. And we're good to go. Want to see what they look like after an hour and a half? Yeah. Oh, very nice. Hey, we're not out of the plane yet. We're gonna take some lemon maple bourbon glaze and just baste them really nice. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, this is gonna even taste better. Half an hour, these bad boys will be ready to put in our bellies. Right in here. Oh! Is that not crazy? Those look delicious. Hey, Carrie, can I get you over here to plate these? I gotta go do something over here. Thank you very much.